What's up, y'all? So I had to do this quick video because I wanted y'all to see that this is real. I'm here at a mystery shop. I'm not going to say what hotel I'm at. I have non-disclosure agreements. But what I will tell you, when it comes to mystery shopping, there are a variety of different types of mystery shops. I've explained a little bit in previous videos, but I wanted you guys to see that this is a real hotel. I'm not paying for it, but I want to give you a little insight on hotel mystery shops specifically. So if you're trying to get a free hotel room, these are the best types of shops to get because you can get reimbursed for the hotel price. Now, I've gotten a lot of questions about
how do you get your money back?
That kind of thing.
Nikki from the future here. So I talked about mystery shopping in the past, and I know a lot of you are new here. And those of you that are not new, some of y'all just don't come back and watch my videos. So I'm going to hook y'all up. Just make sure y'all help me out and like, subscribe, come back, that kind of thing to pay me back for this. But we're going to throw it back to one of my favorite videos where I talk about mystery shopping and how to win. Check it out.
Now, if there is a shop that will require money, like you have to pay for tickets or you have to pay for a meal, something like that, what will normally happen is you have to pay that out of pocket and then the company will reimburse you for that. Now, when you sign up, all the companies that I am listing below are legit. They're proven to be legit. I use the companies that I suggest and everything, okay? Or I've worked with them or whatever. So let me just let you know that right now. Don't worry about the ones that I'm recommending. They are true and legit, okay? Now, when you get hired by a mystery shopping company, what you do is free to sign up. Is normally a really quick application process. A lot of times they'll ask if you have prior experience. Don't worry about that part. We all have to start somewhere. And once you get accepted as a mystery shopper, that's when you can go into their app or their website and choose jobs that you're interested in. Now, most times they will require that somebody approves you for one of the jobs. So there's a variety of types of jobs that you can do. Not only like the hotels and restaurants and stuff, but there are also online jobs or phone jobs. So I've done a phone job in the past where I had to order catering. So that was quite easy. But the phone shops, let me tell you, those pay the least, okay? Because all you're doing is making a phone call. You're not leaving the house or anything. Those pay the least. Now, the other options that you have are other ones where you can do from home, but they're not phone. So some of them will have like phone included, like I've seen some where you can get somebody to come and give you a quote to get some housework done. Also, lately, I've been seeing more virtual shops, such as touring a daycare center or a senior home. So those are options as well. Most of the time, you could just lie and say that you have a kid and you don't really have a kid, that kind of stuff. Another thing is take good notes. So you don't want to be obvious and like taking notes like... You don't want to do that. You have to try to stay undercover, okay? You are a mystery shopper, so be a mystery shopper, okay? Don't be obvious. On to the companies that I use. So the first one is Bestmark. Bestmark was, I believe, the first one that I ever signed up with. Now, I really like Bestmark because they pay bi-weekly. That is like a regular job. So if you get enough jobs, and let me tell you right now, disclaimer, I'm based in Philly, and in Philly, there are a lot of different options for us here. So the availability of jobs will depend on your area, but yes, Bestmark is a great one. They pay bi-weekly and they will also pay via direct deposit. So yes, I can have money every 2 weeks with Bestmark. So with them, to start out, you can expect your shops to be like between $10 and $25. Again, this will depend on your area, but Bestmark is a great one, especially if you are going to those types of stores anyway, or if you plan on going out or to a mall or something. That's a nice way to make sure you have a secure check coming to you every 2 weeks, okay? I'm going to link Bestmark down below. Make sure you sign up. It's free to sign up. Now, the next one is Coil Hospitality. I really love Coil because they actually have a lot of different options on the higher end, okay? So, yes, 5-star restaurants and hotels. I've done them both. And Coil Hospitality will pay you by direct deposit. Normally with them in there, I'll see a starting amount of like $10 to $40. And again, it will depend on what type of job that you do. For example, if I do a hotel job, normally that's like $50 to $100 a night on average, okay? So they will reimburse me for the hotel as well as pay me that stipend. And I can order room service and all kinds of stuff. Normally they'll say, all right, we set a limit to what you can spend in each day. And, you know, you can spend up to $200 a day and we'll reimburse you for that. Koya Hospitality is awesome. The thing with them is they pay monthly and they will pay you in the month following the month after you completed the shop. So, for example, if you do the shop in December, they will pay you in the middle of January. Okay. So Koya Hospitality, I'm going to link them down below. I love them. I like to feel fancy sometimes and use them.
That's only a couple of the companies that I use. So if you want the best of the best companies, make sure you join my Mystery Shopping Masterclass, because I not only give you the run through of how to go about getting the best mystery shops and getting paid the most and exactly what you need to do to make sure you become a top shopper. I also give you a list of my favorite companies that are legit that will pay you for mystery shops, including these expensive hotel shops. So that link will be down in the description if you're interested in that. And my battery is going to die soon, so I'm going to keep this really, really short. I'm going to sit in this hotel room, type up my evaluation, and depending on the different types of shops, it will depend on what you are required to do. So some will require you to do room service. This one that I'm in right now doesn't require that, but you'll have to read through the guidelines of your mystery shop to find out what it is that you're required to do. So for this one, I just have to mainly evaluate the people upon arrival, the people that greeted me, the valet, the person that brought my bags to my room. And I'm filling out my evaluation, like I said, and once that evaluation is submitted, then I will be able to collect my check. Now, if there's anything that I missed detail-wise, then the mystery shop company would typically reach back out to me and ask me, oh, can you provide more details about whatever? Hopefully that's not necessary, but in order to make sure that the shop goes well, what I do is I use voice memo on my phone and record the interactions, because I have to be really specific about what time somebody did what. For example, what time my bags were brought to my room, what time I was checked in, how long it took for someone to greet me, those kinds of things. So in order to keep track of that stuff, I use voice memo on my phone. And then when I get to the room, that's when I'll go over it. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I wanted you guys to see that this is real. Like I said, my camera battery is gonna die, but do your girl a favor, give me a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let